Hey there, tech enthusiasts and Sendwave users. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to verify your Sendwave account in 2025. With increasing security measures, verifying your account is crucial for seamless money transfers, especially in a world where digital privacy is king. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Sendwave app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to your App Store, search for Sendwave, and download the latest 2025 version. Once that's done, open the app and sign in with your existing credentials. If you're new, you'll need to create an account using your email or phone number. Next, navigate to the Profile or Settings section. Look for an icon that looks like a person or gear. There, you'll find a Verify Account option. Click on it, and the app will prompt you to provide some basic information, like your full name and date of birth. Now, for the key step, identity verification. Sendwave uses advanced AI in 2025, so you'll need to upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure it's clear and not expired. After uploading, you'll be asked to verify your phone number. Enter the code sent via SMS, and if everything checks out, you might need to take a quick selfie for facial recognition. Don't worry, it's secure and fast. Once submitted, sit tight. Approval usually takes 24 to 48 hours. And that's it, you've successfully verified your Sendwave account. This step not only unlocks full features like higher transfer limits but also keeps your transactions safe from fraud. If you run into any issues, check the app's help center or contact support. Thanks for watching, folks. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay connected and see you in the next video.